All right, so once your students have logged in, this is the first page that they will be able to see. So there's a video that it's about 24 minutes long, and it goes through everything and the students will be able to watch this. They can also refer to it later, so if they accidentally hit close, they can still access it later. So no worries there. I also, as a teacher, I definitely recommend watching this video all the way through. It shows you basically everything that they'll see on their end. But that's honestly the purpose of this video, is to kind of show you what it'll look like on their end. Okay, so after the students get their paycheck, right? So this is a monthly paycheck that they get every week, right? So it's as if 1 week equals 1 month. But you can see it shows them their paycheck, right? Their monthly gross, when they got paid, when their bills are due. It tells how much taxes they had withheld, and so then it gives them their monthly net. Okay, these living expenses don't change at all. They can't change them. For instance, like a student might be like, oh, I want to spend $1 on food for the month. Like, yeah, no, you can't do that. As a teacher, I can actually change those numbers as well. So if I feel like maybe it's more realistic to the area that I'm living in, that maybe they're spending $300 or maybe $150, whatever that looks like, I can change that. Okay, so then what ends up happening, this formula obviously pulls this number, their net minus their expenses, and it gives them how much money they have to budget. Okay, so for the kids, they might have a goal for the different amounts, right? So maybe I want to save up for an RV or whatever, right? So that goal might be $5,000, right? And maybe that's what they want to have in the end, right? And then that would add it right there. So the kids can set their own goals, right? But then, yeah, they can budget how much they want to do towards that. So let's say I want to spend $200 in the 401k. Maybe I want to spend $1,000 in my emergency fund. Maybe I want to put $500 towards my RV, and then I want to put the rest towards my savings, right? And I can accept my goals, and you can see it'll ask them if they want to confirm. So yes. Okay. So then now it takes them to the dashboard, and this is what our dashboard will look like. Again, the video goes over all this, but I just thought I'd break it up in a little bit. So that's what their first paycheck will look like. And then it'll take them to this page.